Hello, my friend Stephanie Barnard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for one of your favorite video segments called a 30-second card in 5 minutes. Now, if this is a brand new series to you, I highly recommend you go to our website and click on the 5-minute cards in 30 seconds videos, or 30-second card in 5 minutes videos, because you kind of got to watch the first one. And the first one we did about 12 years ago now, and this has been such a popular series, we've continued it, but it's really funny just to see the first one. Every once in a while when I need a laugh, I'll go watch the first one. Let me tell you, I'll be honest. So today we're going to work with the Hugs Fold-it Die. And I'm really excited about that one because it does have the stitch lines on it, but I don't have to use the stitch lines if I don't want to. I also grabbed the Pocket Hugs to stamp in case I want to stamp the inside. You never know what's going to happen. I grabbed the Shine Collection paper pad because it is available still on our website, which is always nice that I use stuff that you could actually get if you wanted to. This one has the fun pineapples on it. It has shine, shine, shine. It has the palm trees. It has just a lot of fun colors, and my favorite colors really. Candy, guava, kiwi, green apple, banana, lemonade, ocean, and sea glass. All my favorites. And then I just grabbed some coordinating cardstock that matched. Okay, that's it. I'm feeling lucky today. Got to make sure I have adhesive. Hang on. Got to make sure I have two because, you know, if it's going to go bad, it's going to go bad, right? And this one's brand new. So, okay, now I have two. Always got to take a breath. Kenny, are you set and ready to go with he's giving me a thumbs up, so he's ready. Let me think for half a second. On your marks. Get set. Start the time. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a cardstock, and I always like to use white for my card base just because it just makes me happier. And I'm scoring that down, and I'm going to grab the biggest die in the Hug set, and on the back it tells me where to place the fold, so I know exactly where to go. I'm going to go on the straight edge because that's going to be a little tiny bit faster for me if I do that. And then I'm going to grab a cutting pad, and I'm going to run that through. Make sure it's straight and run through. Ugh. Now it's 2 layers, so it's gonna, and my die cut machine, is up higher, so it's kind of a little bit harder. Okay, so there I got my card base. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so now I have to decide what color I'm going to do my other layer in and my hugs in. So I'm gonna go crazy and I'm gonna do my hugs in pink, in the guava, and then I'm probably just gonna do that fast now so I don't have to think about it. So let's grab that, move that off to the side, move that straight, and we're gonna go. And then I think for the letters, I'm gonna do ocean, which is something totally different. Usually I would do pink on top, right? So let's, you know what? No, even better. Let's use a pattern paper because I did say I was gonna use it. Ooh, we could use pink. No, we're not gonna do pink. We're not gonna do pink. Think bigger, think bigger. Let's do the, I was gonna do ocean in cardstock, so I'm going to do it in the pattern paper instead. Now this does have it has stripes on it, so I got to be a little careful to make sure that I do the stripes correctly. So I'm not going to use the stitching because I have those stripes on here. So I'm going to make sure I line that up good, and that's good. And we're going to run all this through, get all the extra out of here so we don't get in the way. Okay, so we're going to run all this through. It might be a little bit of a speed bump, but we're in a hurry. Oh, there we go. It's a lot of speed bumps. That's funny because it has the inside pieces. Okay, so now all of those fun little pieces are cut out. Well, not a lot, 4. And we're going to get those. Get it. This is also great for banners too. The folded dies that are words are great for banners as well because they have such large letters. Okay, so let's put these all together. We're going to grab this, get this, and let's get these. And hopefully this is a good, there we go. Awesome. So we're going to do our H. I love how this has extra layers on it. So you could use this die easily for a shaker card. And then I'm going to add my U just right there, and then I'm going to add my G. Now don't do this on the mat like I am, but you know, you do what you got to do when you're in a hurry. And the funny thing is I think I just heard the mailman. So that's kind of the joke about this, is you're always trying to beat the mailman because sometimes you got to get a card in the mail as fast as possible and you got to do a 30-second card. Okay, there's my hugs. Look at how amazing that looks. Does that look amazing or what? Now we're going to go over here and we're just going to add this. Now, usually I would add another layer of the white so I wouldn't see that crazy straight mark, but because it's part of the H, I get away with crazy. And look at that. Look at that. Hugs. Oh my gosh, I'm halfway done. I'm halfway done. Now I got to get a stamp, and I think I'm going to use a little hug from me to you. So we're going to grab this. Oh, ink, ink, ink. Oh, here's some. Oh, perfect. Guava. Guava, guava. Now, this is a brand new stamp set I literally just pulled out. So I'm going to find some scratch, stamp on scratch, make sure it looks good. Perfect. Usually the first time is perfect, but you just always want to make sure. So I'm going to stamp this right there. A little hug from me to you, filled with lots of prayers and big love too. Make sure you don't have any ink on your hands, because that always happens to me. And then hang on. We need like a little embellishment or something. So let's grab, flowers. We could do flowers. Oh, yes. Stop. Did you stop it? He wasn't paying attention. I'm taking off 10 seconds because you weren't paying attention, Kenny. Is that fair?
You have to add about 20 seconds because you didn't stamp the back.
He said are you mic'd? They can't hear you. He said I have to add 20 seconds because I didn't stamp the back with my personalized stamp. But look how cute, you guys. Come on. Fastest card ever, pretty much, right? I don't know. We'll find out in a second. Okay, Kenny, so what is the time? Oh yeah. This was not a 30-second card in 5 minutes. This was a 30-second card in... How much do I get to take off? Should I just keep that time?
Yep.
Make it fair? Okay, we're going to keep the time that he had because I did not stamp the back. So 4 minutes and 15 seconds. What? Not bad. Awesome. Look at that. And Kenny, I do get credit for stamping the inside. I definitely have to get credit for that because look at that. It looks perfect. So hugs. Look how cute. And I did use that pattern paper, so you get that little extra, depth on that pattern paper on that ocean. I absolutely love it. Yay! I did it. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Probably the best card I've ever made in 4 minutes and 15 seconds. That's all I'm going to say. But my friends, thank you so much for joining me for another episode of a 30-second card in 4 minutes and 15 seconds. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. Girls every day, and yeah, they move me a million ways, but what's the point if we never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good, and there will never be connection without repeated actions, but wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the... So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunglasses out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, my indie rock girl. Come on, indie rock girl. 100 girls every day. And yeah, they move me a million ways. But what's the point if you never know? I'm left with nothing, come on, I'm left with nothing. It doesn't matter if you ain't got money, cause you look good. And there will never be connection without repeated actions. But wish we could have it like that, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. My indie rock girl, come on indie rock girl. So Holly says that she wants to know where she can find her a better guy. Well, baby, do you want to know? You just try looking through open eyes, because you know you're beautiful. You wear your sunrise out at night. You're like a moon that is always full. You take my bones and make them right. And if you need somebody to lean on, I can be that type of man. And if you want somebody to talk to, baby, you know I'd understand. Oh, I say, cause I like the way you're driving me crazy. I like the things you do to me, babe. You felt my heart, you feel that it's racing. This ain't the time to take it slow. Oh, oh. My indie rock girl, come on indie rock girl.